In this video, we are going to learn about the rooms, the advanced features, how it will work actually. I will create a room. So go to the room, or you can use the shortcut RM. So I want to place a room. So this is the room 1, this is the room 2, and this is the room 3. Press cancel or escape couple of times. I will select this a room. So we are unable to see those lines. Suppose if I select here, it is not selecting. Means we are unable to find that. When it is highlighted only, we can able to select it. So to avoid that, go to the visibility and graphics. Here you have that room options. So go to the rooms, and here I will use the reference, and I will use the interior fill. Click on apply. Okay, now we can see those reference lines clearly, and it is the interior fill. Now suppose if I delete this room, we will get a warning, that is the room was deleted from all model views. It still remains in the project. So if I go and place another row, so I will place here, and it is showing that this is 124. I will use control z, and while placing this, I'm not using the same uh, the new one. I will use the same room. So that is the room 3. I will place it. Okay, so this room is, if I delete this one, this room is not completely deleted. So if you want to delete this room completely, what we have to do is create a schedule for this one. Go to the schedules, go to the new schedule quantities, find the room. So in the room schedule, I will select it, click on OK, and I will select some options like area and name or number. So name is same because I didn't enter any name for this one. So you can use the area and you can use the number. Click on OK, and you can see that there are three rooms, so two with some area, and this is not placed because we deleted that. Now to delete that the completely, what I will do, I will select this one and select this entire uh, row, and delete this row. So I will click on delete row, click on OK. So now it is deleted. So if it is deleted means automatically the entire room is deleted. So again, if I go to place the room, and we can able to place it, and you can give the new, there is no old room. So you can give it as a new, and you can place it. So here, this way we can place it. The next thing is I will delete all the rooms, select them, and I will hit the delete row, and I will delete at the entire thing. Here also it is removed. The next one is, here I placed the door and the wall is closed. So it is Revit automatically detecting this is the room 1, room 2, room 3. You can place it manually, or you can use it tag automatically. That is up to you. But if I use the wall opening, so I will go with the wall opening. I will click on this wall, and I will go to the wall opening. I will open the wall from here to here, so that it will recognize these both rooms under single. So if I place the room, and this time I will go with the room tag with area, I will place here, it is some 64 meter square, and uh, I will place here, it is 9 meter square. Okay. Suppose I want to separate this room, so I will use the room separator to indicate that this is the another room. So I will place the room separator here. Now this room is separated from the hall. I'll place the room again. So here it is showing 9 meters square, square meter 9. Now I will put some dimension for this one. So go to the modify, and I will use the dimension that is up to wall faces from here to here. It is 3000. Okay. So again I will select this to this. It is 3000. So 3000. This is in mm. So it is in a area is in a meter square. Suppose if I change the unit system by UN, and I will make this area is not in a meter square, so I will give it, it is a square millimeters. So click on OK, click on OK. Now you can see that there is a change in area. So here it is, this is also with the same. Okay, so this is also 3000 by 3000 millimeters, so it is showing perfect. But here, because of the room separator, so how we can overcome this type of issue? When it is showing in meters, it is not calculating this much, 0.19, it is not calculating. So how we can make this one is, so create a room separator, okay, from here to here. So already we created from this end to this end, and again I will create from this end to this end, and now it is showing that is perfect one. Okay, if you go with the meter square, it is showing 9.1 something, but it will calculate as a 9 meter only. If you want to make it more precious, then you have to create this separate line both sides so of the wall, then you will get the exact results.